Look what I just received from Prextex. It's a 72-piece set of dinosaur figurines, and they're awesome. They measure about 1 inch in height and about 2 to 3 inches in length. And they're also hand-painted too. How awesome is that? And these are perfect for cupcake toppings, as well as cake toppings, or just to fill up your Easter eggs, or great for goodie bags for birthday parties. This is perfect for dinosaur-themed birthday parties as well. And look how cool they are. These are all hand-painted and they are just so neat. These are perfect for any party or just to play with as well. It has such a nice, vast collection. Let me show you close-up so you can see all that you're gonna receive. Here's a close-up of the dinosaurs. They look so cool and so realistic too. Your little one will love playing with these. And I just love all the vibrant colors. And they also have so many different kinds of dinosaurs. And these are perfect for both boys and girls. Tons of learning fun. So neat. Roar! Really makes you think of what they used to look like, right? So cool. Caw. So many to choose from, I don't know which is my favorite. They really provide you such a nice variety. Perfect decorations for your cupcakes or your cakes. Can't wait to use these for our next event. They all measure about 1 inch high and about 2 to 3 inches in length. They're so lifelike. Roar! And you're going to be receiving a variety and they may be different. They really did an amazing job with the detail. And this is a nice variety of all these different kinds. I just love the detailing on these. Great for boys and girls. Aren't they awesome? This would provide hours and hours of entertainment and also great for their imagination too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.